The final step is to create the dashboard. We'll combine all these solved problems and create a dashboard for the HR data analysis. Now let's get started. First take up the new page. We need to create cards for overall employees, attrition count, attrition rate, average age and active employees. I have showed that how to create these cards in the previous section. So I will copy and paste it directly from there. Yeah. Now we'll do slight modifications to it. Just go to format, size and style. I will keep the height as 94 and the width to 238 and the background color as white. Title also I will keep it as white. Text color I will give it as blue. I will reduce the font size of it to 15. Now I will change the color of this numbers. Just go to callout label and change the color here. I will give it to 40. Yeah, I will choose the visual border and give it up to 20%, and I will assign a shadow to it. Just turn on this label and I will give the shadow as bottom right. It should be outside. Now I will align it properly. Yeah. The second step is to take the matrix chart and in the rows field we need to place the job role. Search for job role here. Yeah, just drag and drop it into the rows, and in the columns we need to place the job certification level. drag into the columns, and in the values, sum of employee count. Here it is. Drag it into the values field. Now I will assign height and width to it. Just go to format, choose the size and style. I will give the height as 242 and the width to 362. Yeah, choose the visual border, just turn on it. I will make it as 20 pixel for the rounded corners, and I will just turn on the shadow. Next, I need to change a color for it. So go for the values. Text color, I will keep it as blue, and the background color to white, and the alternate text color as white, and the alternate background color as blue. Slightly I will increase its size. To 45. Yeah, now it looks good. Our matrix chart has been created now. Next, we need to create the staked column chart. Click on the column chart. Click on the column chart. Just align it properly. Now, in the x-axis, we need to place the CF of edge band. Search for it. Here it is. Drag it into the x-axis. As I told you earlier, CF of age band is nothing but the age range of an employees or an individuals. And in the y-axis, we need to place the sum of employee count. And in the legend label, place the gender data. Yeah, just go to format. I will change the title. I will set the font size up to 15 and the text color to white. The background color as blue. Sorry, I will give the text color as blue, the background color to white. Yeah, now give the visual border and shadow to it. Go to size and style. In size and style, you can see the background, visual border and shadow. Choose visual border, and I will give the rounded corners up to 20, and I will assign a shadow to it. That is bottom right. Yeah. Next, we'll take up the pie chart. Just click on it. In the legend table, we need to place the department data. search for department here. Here it is. Drag and drop it into the legend field, and in the values field we need to place the attrition rate. Here it is, attrition rate. To create this attrition rate, we need to write up a query, that is attrition rate equal to sum of HR data of attrition count divided by sum of HR data of employee count. By writing this query, we can create a data called attrition rate. Now we'll just drag and drop it into the values. The previous section I have told that how to create this attrition rate. Now we'll do modifications to this pie chart. Just go to format, size and style. I will give the height as 181 and the width as 254. Now I will give it as 615. It's getting short. The height, yeah, now it's looking good. We'll do modifications to it now. Yeah, just go to slices and I will change the sales color to blue and the HR color as light blue, so that it looks in a uniform color. If you choose the same color, if you want, you can choose different colors to make it attractive. We'll make the title towards the center and increase the font size of it. I will increase it up to 15 and I will make the text color as blue, the background color as white, and I will just align it towards the center. Now we'll turn on visual border to it. In the size and style, there will be a visual border. Just turn on it, and in the rounded corners we need to give it up to 20 pixel, or you can give it up to 25. It's up to you. And I will turn on this shadow label. Yeah, our next step is to create the horizontal bar chart, that is staked bar chart. Click on the staked bar chart. In the staked bar chart, in the y-axis we need to place the education field. Search for education field here. Here it is. Drag it into the y-axis, and in the x-axis we need to place the sum of attrition count. Now drag it into the y-axis. You can see our horizontal chart has been created. Now we'll do slight modifications to it. For that, just go to format. I will set the height and width to it. The height will be 331 and the width should be 627. Yep. Next, we'll set visual border to it. Turn on the visual border, and in the rounded corners I will make it up to 20, and I will turn on this shadow label. I will make the title towards the center and I will increase the font size up to 15. We'll give the text color as blue and the background color as white, and I will just align it towards center. Yeah. The next step is to create the donut charts. Take the donut chart. In the legend field, we need to place the gender data. Search for gender here. Here it is. Just drag it into the legend field. And in the values field, we need to place the sum of attrition count. Search for attrition count here and just drag and drop it into the values. Now in the details field, we need to place the CF of age band. CF of age band in the sense the age range of an employees or an individuals. Now we'll modify the donut chart. I will set the height as 191 and the width as 196. Yeah, I will turn on the visual border and I will give the rounded corners up to 20 pixel and I will turn on the shadow label. I will give the title that is 25 to 34 because we are sorting this donut chart for the age group of 25 to 34. So I will give it as 25 to 34. I will increase the font size of this title and I will change the text color as blue and the background color as white. I will just align it towards the center. You can see the donut chart has been created now. Now we need to create multiple donut charts for it. I will just copy paste it. Yeah, I will reduce this column chart height to fit these donut charts. I will reduce the height up to 245. Yeah, even for the pie chart, I will reduce the height up to 235. Yeah, I think now they can fit properly. I think somewhat we need to reduce the height of this pie chart and the column chart. So I will decrease its height and I will decrease the height of this pie chart also. will decrease this pie chart height as width. I will give it as 190, and the height I will reduce it to 180. I think we can fit it properly now. Yeah, here also I will set it the same height. Height should be 180 and width should be 190. We'll make the changes here also. I think I need to reduce it somewhat. 175. The width as 185. Yeah, I will remove this rest of the donut charts, and I will copy this chart multiple times. I think we can fit it properly now. Yeah, now we'll modify it. Click on the first card. We'll use filter to sort out the male employees and female employees according to their age group. Go to filters and click on the drop down of this CF of age band. Here we need to select the age difference of an employees. First we'll sort it out for the 25 to 34 age group people, and I will give the title as 25 to 34. For the second card, just click on it, go to CF of age band, and I will choose the age of 35 to 44, and in the title I will give it as 35 to 44. 35 to 44, because we are sorting it for the age group of 35 to 44 now. Now we'll sort it for the third donut chart. Just click on it, go to CF of age band, and choose the 45 to 54 age group, and in the text area I will change the title as 45 to 54. Yeah, likewise for the next card, click on it. Now we are sorting it for over age group of 55, people who are over the 55. Choose the CF of age band, click on the drop down of it and click on the checkbox of over 55 because we are sorting it for the people who are above 55. And I will change the title as over 55. Likewise, we'll sort out for the last donut chart. Select the donut chart, go to CF of age band and choose the checkbox of under 25. We'll sort it for the age group of people who are under 25 and I will change the title as under 25. So we have sorted it for all the age groups now. Now we'll change the background color to it. For that, to change the background color, just click on the white space area, go to format. You need to choose the canvas background instead of choosing wallpaper. Go to canvas background. Here you can change the color. I will set it as light blue. After choosing the color, it will not display immediately because here the transparency rate is up to 100%. We need to reduce it. I will reduce it up to 0%. Let me increase it up to 50. You can see. Yeah, now it looks good. We'll keep it up to 0% only. I will increase this column chart height somewhat because it's looking too small. Go to format, the size and style. I will set the height as 219 or 220. Yeah, I will set it as 221. And for the pie chart also, I will set it as 221. Yeah, now it's looking good. When you click on the particular cards, the dashboard will change according to their sum. You can see when I click on the female column chart, you can see the pie chart has been changing according to the columns. Now when I click on the male column chart, the pie chart and the overall employees, attrition count, attrition rate, active employees, average age, these are all changing according to the pointed cursor. Again, coming to pie chart, when I click on the sales data, the dashboard has been completely changed according to the sales data, overall employees, attrition count, attrition rate, and all those things. And when you click on the HR data, again the dashboard changes. Likewise, you can analyze each and every data of an employees in the HR data. You can look on the horizontal bar chart and you can analyze by clicking one by one of the bars. You can see this donut charts. When you click on this bar, it slightly changes and gives the attrition count and the CF of age band. It only highlights the important part of this donut chart. Likewise, you can see all the data which are sorted out here. Yeah. So this is how we can create the complete dashboard of the HR data analysis. For further modifications, you can even go to format and you can change the colors, rounded corners, shadow of it, and all those things. So this is the final part of the HR data analysis.